This presentation covers Chapter 14, Chemical Energetics, IGCSE Class 9 and 10 Chemistry Curriculum. This slide shows a diagram of the fractional distillation of petroleum in a refinery. It illustrates how crude oil is heated and separated in a fractionating tower into different fractions at various temperatures. These fractions include refinery gas for heating, gasoline for cars, kerosene for jet fuel, diesel for engines, and bitumen for making roads. Energy changes in chemical reactions. All chemical reactions involve energy changes. An exothermic reaction is one that releases heat into the surroundings. Its enthalpy change, or delta H, is negative. An endothermic reaction is one that absorbs heat from the surroundings. Its enthalpy change, or delta H, is positive. Enthalpy change, delta H, is the overall energy change during a reaction, measured in kilojoules per mole. Activation energy, EA, is the minimum amount of energy required to start a reaction. This slide displays two images related to fossil fuels. One is a piece of coal showing a fossilized leaf. The other is a diagram of an oil platform, illustrating how natural gas and petroleum are found trapped under layers of non-porous rock beneath the seabed. Reaction profile diagrams. This table describes the shapes of reaction profile diagrams for different reaction types. For an exothermic reaction, the energy level of the reactants is higher than the products, showing that energy is released. The change in enthalpy, delta H, is less than zero. For an endothermic reaction, the energy level of the products is higher than the reactants, showing that energy is absorbed. The change in enthalpy, delta H, is greater than zero. Fuels and combustion. A fuel is any substance that is burned to release energy. The combustion or burning of fuels is always an exothermic process. Complete combustion occurs when there is plenty of oxygen, and it produces carbon dioxide and water. Incomplete combustion occurs when oxygen is limited, and it produces carbon monoxide, soot, and less energy. An example reaction is the complete combustion of methane. One molecule of methane, CH4, reacts with two molecules of oxygen, O2, to produce one molecule of carbon dioxide, CO2, and two molecules of water, H2O, releasing 728 kilojoules of energy per mole. Petroleum and fractional distillation. This table lists some fractions obtained from petroleum and their uses. Refinery gases are used for cooking and heating, often as LPG. Petrol is used as car fuel. Kerosene is used as jet fuel. Diesel is used as fuel for trucks. Bitumen is used for surfacing roads. Key takeaways. Note: some of the content on this slide appears to be from a different topic, but is extracted here as written in the source document. A key summary is: exothermic means heat out, and endothermic means heat in. Simple molecules have weak forces between them, which leads to low boiling points. Giant covalent structures have strong bonds, which leads to high melting points. Thank you for learning with us.